$400,000 contract killing of 3 women filed by the cops. The police have also taken a police into custody in relation to the matter. Hi again and welcome. This is Links W0men TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links W0men TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links W0men TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links W0men TV News Report. 3 women from Western Jamaica are alive Saturday after the police intercepted their would-be killers on Thursday and fired the execution of a hit put out on their heads by someone living overseas. Deputy Commissioner of Police Fitz Bailey, who heads the crime and security portfolio in the Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF, shed some light on the ongoing investigation at a press conference on Friday. DSP Bailey said that several persons were taken into custody, including a district constable who allegedly was on his way to carry out the contract killing and also a teacher. They were all arrested as police intensified their investigation on Thursday. The multi-agency operation, which began at 8:30 a.m. on Thursday and ended at 9 p.m. on Thursday night, saw the police officers searching premises at Brickell Terrace in Charlton, Kingston 8, which resulted in the seizure of an American tactical hybrid rifle, assorted ammunition, and police paraphernalia. The Deputy Commissioner of Police, Fitz Bailey, said that a 25-year-old man and a female teacher were arrested at the location. The head of the crime and security portfolio within the Jamaica Constabulary Force explained that the police continued their investigation, which led to them intercepting a Toyota Yaris motor car traveling on Washington Boulevard in St. Andrew. The 3 men aboard the vehicle, which included a district constable, were arrested. The car and other illegal firearms were also seized in the vehicle. The district constable, according to Deputy Commissioner of Police Fitz Bailey, said that the constable is assigned to the Tactical Service Division of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. He also admitted that the district constable submitted a resignation letter in December, which has not yet been processed, and he is currently on sick leave.
As the police intensify its operation against organized crime, on Thursday, the 23rd of December 2021, based on police investigation and intelligence, several operations were conducted between 8:30 p.m. and 8:30 a.m. and 9 p.m. During the operation, premises located at number 4 and 6 Brickell Terrace, Charlton, Kingston 8 was searched, and a male, Matthew McIntosh, 25 years old, and a female C0ntract teacher were taken into custody. 1 American tactical hybrid rifle, along with 30 5.56 caliber rounds, were seized. 3 red and black police cloth vests bearing police regulation numbers, 1 police uniform shirt, 2 police uniform pants, 1 ballistic vest bearing police regulation number, 4 motor vehicle license plates, and 2 pairs of handcuffs were seized at the premises. Further search was done, which led to the recovery of 3 Glock 17 magazines with 2 9mm cartridges, 1 Glock 19 cartridge, 1 plastic M16 magazine, 18.38 spent casings, 3 outside gun holsters, and 1 inside gun holster and firearm cleaning kit. The police continue its investigation, and based on intelligence received, a red Toyota Yaris motor car was intercepted along Washington Boulevard, where Andrew Wright, 28 years old, district constable, attached to the technical Services Division of the JCF, along with Adrian Graham, OC Shaba, of 19 Garden Terrace, Kingston 20, and Aaron Brown, OC JJ. He is 23 years old, of Bowabang, and Building 10, Flat Age Tavern Garden, Kingston 11, were arrested. District Constable Wright was found with an illegal Glock 26 pistol loaded with 11 9mm rounds. The motor car was seized and all 3 persons taken into custody and charged and arrested with illegal possession of firearm. Several other operational activities took place in the course of the day, and one Cavern Green of 7 Worksworth Avenue, Kingston 20, was held, and a Glock magazine containing 17 9mm rounds found. His premises was also searched. The team further went to 45 Eric Avenue, Kingston 20, where an operation was conducted. 1 Michael Harris was held, and 34 5.56 cartridges and 6 9mm cartridges, along with a police forage cap, found at his premises. He was also taken into custody. All 7 persons were arrested and placed in custody. I want to point out that the car that was intercepted was based on investigation and intelligence into an alleged contract killing, where contract was placed on the head of 3 females living in the western part of the island. In fact, $400,000 were given as a contracted fee to kill these 3 females. If it were not for the interception of that car, this morning we may have seen on the headline 3 females killed in the western part of the island. The females were interviewed by the police, identified and interviewed, and we have put in place the appropriate target hardening against them. We have also made contact with our international partners, including the FBI, to support our investigation. They have actually pledged their support. As a matter of fact, after this interview, I will be having some discussion with representatives from the FBI. And there are other law enforcement officers overseas who have been contacted. This, in my view, represent significant improvement in the way we are doing business as a law enforcement agency. Our intelligence have significantly increased. In fact, I want to make it clear that intelligence is assessed by hit rate. And when we review the hit rate, we have increased it from single digit to double digit, and we are in the high 20s. In fact, strategic intelligence issued by our NIB headquarters, we get an average of 80% hit rates in those intelligence packages. The JCF intend to use all resources available, both scientific, the forensic and other means, to ensure that the perpetrators, including, and if it includes police officers, are brought to justice. I will also like to say that FID will be contacted and will be a part of this investigation, because we intend to ensure that a comprehensive investigation is done, and where assets are identified, the appropriate steps will be taken to ensure that it is forfeited. The investigation involved multi-agencies, C0ntract was the lead agent, supported by NIB as well as the P0lice. The group that we have identified is involved in a series of robberies, contract killings, and murders. There are other matters that are currently being investigated by this group. As we close this year, I want to reassure the public that for 2022, we will be resolute, we will not relent, we are going to be more aggressive against those who continue to perpetrate violent crime. The fact is that we cannot allow these individuals to overrun our society. The team is committed to it, the High Command is committed to it, the JCF is committed to it, and our approach is going to be a little different come 2022 because we are not going to surrender. Every year, we save in excess of 300 lives by proactive means through intelligence products that we have received. And so, contrary to statements that have been made, I believe that there's a significant improvement in our intelligence as well as our investigative capabilities, and daily we are improving. Thank you.
In the meantime, two other men were arrested at two separate premises that were searched during the multi-agency operation on Thursday. We'll have more details to come on this in our current affairs program, Let's Talk. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.